Hi guys, good evening. Okay, I would like to talk about trade analysis for week number 46. We will try to do some recording as per usual, but we have some problems, so we are now making our net meeting style. Okay, as you can see, I mean the all the major speeches are over for today, but nonetheless we still have some speeches from Draghi and BOE governor will be speaking on Thursday. So I have to say that we still got quite a lot of items that are coming up. Okay, so I'm expecting more and more movement in the market from now onward until Friday. All right, so there are a few pairs that I would like you to take a look. Okay, first is the US dollar Canadian. Okay, US dollar Canadian, in my opinion, is they are using this level around 1.2682 as a very good support level. So if you are bearish or anything, you need to watch it out quite closely. Okay, in the long run, I'm stay bearish for this particular pair, but they are using this level since they are using this level as a very good support. Okay, they may be able to do some bounce from here. Okay, that means they may come back down and retest again, and they will go back up for a swing. Okay, so please be careful, especially when they are coming back to this level. So I am not entirely bearish for this pair at the moment yet. Okay, I just want you to take a precaution. Okay, so move on to another one. This is US dollar Canadian. Another one is gold as usual. Okay, last week I mentioned that the gold is still quite slightly bullish. All right, slightly bullish. Okay, I'm still holding the same opinion. I'm still slightly bullish. It just said, okay, market may not go straight up. Okay, market may not go straight up like we expected. It might go some sort of like a bounce, I mean big swing. Then they will eventually go back up. This is what is most likely. And I want you to take a look on this particular number, like 1265 or 1255 level or 1250 level. Because this level gonna be a very good support level, and being a very good support level, the market can easily reach there as well. So my suggestion is that if you want to long, please do not go and long with a tight stop loss, because what will happen is that if the person long with a tight stop loss, he or she may eventually ride, but by the time it's go up in the favor, what happens is because of the minor whipping, the position is already taken out already. So I repeat again, 1262, 1259 level, and another one is 1250. This around this region, these two level, please pay extra attention. In the long run, I'm stay slightly bullish on gold. All right, this is UCAT and gold. Okay, next US dollar CHF. Okay, if you follow our telegram, and recently I have posted about the bearishness of US dollar CHF, and now it's finally playing out. Okay, as you can see from here, they are about to break down this level. I think very likely they will sooner or later they will break down. All they need is just either a bad events or some bad news. Once there is something negative about the market, they will just pop it. So in my opinion, we are on the right side, and it will eventually go down lower and lower. Of course, the first target will be here. Second target will be around 0.96 9650 9660 level. So this will be the two target is a highly achievable. All right, so I'm standing with the bearishness on US dollar CHF. Okay, just to remind that before you take any trade on this any CHF pairs, all right, please be aware that they have quite a high swap charges. All right, so before you take any trade on CHF pairs, please be aware of that. Okay, another one is, let's talk about Bitcoin around. This time let's talk about Bitcoin. Okay, we managed to call out a bearishness around this 7,400 region, and it really came down as we predicted. All right, as per our analysis, we also mentioned that 5,600 level will be a very good support, and it turned out to be a very good support as well. Okay, now it's of course market sort of like a recover maybe nearly 50%. Okay, please be reminded again. Okay, even in 19229, right, the first crash or first great depression in the US, right, when the market crashed, it's always happened. They didn't go all the way down immediately. They sort of like a relief rallies. Okay, but the difference between the relief rallies or typical typical swing back is that, you know, of course they couldn't able to really during the relief rally, they couldn't able to retake their previous high. So you know, you need to watch out very closely. Now the market is rebounding doesn't mean that it's gonna go all the way up higher already. Maybe they may just release rally, and what happened after the market never able to go back to the previous high, which is around this level, 7,400, 7,600 level. So the so-called the likelihood of bearishness is getting more and more stronger already. Okay, so of course they will go back to retest this 5,600 level again. Okay, once they break down, okay, I mean they were totally break a lot of people confidence, right? After that, what will happen? They were okay, just a minute. Okay, there is doing okay. Sorry, I saw something. After that they were just, you know, they were just lose all their so-called confidence, and more people will so-called sell their position with any price that they can get. So what will happen? Of course, that if it did happen, this sell down will accelerate. Okay, of course, I would like to say the next target will be around 5,000 level. Okay, and we have a 4,600 level, and last but not least, this 3,600 level will be a very good support as well. So like I repeat again, first thing, please careful if if it is a relief rallies or is a real, you know, real swing back up. So we need to watch it out again around this 7,400 level. If they could not retake the previous high, you know, this is what is gonna happen. All right, so I'm standing with slightly bearishness on the Bitcoin right now. Okay, I will pass it to James. Give me a minute, guys. 3. Okay.
Okay, so hi everybody. So this is James. So we have some problem doing the videos as usual. So we'll be doing our analysis without our face this time. So the first pair that I'll be talking about will be the pound to the Canadian dollar. So right now we can see that the pound to the Canadian dollar is at the support level. It's around 1.66. So this is one of our proprietary support zones that we use to mark out. So by looking at the price action when it has arrived into this support zone, we can see that the bearishness seems to be drawing down with price unable to close below 1.666. Alright, so on Friday, we have a very nice engulfing candle, and on the Monday open, price tried to break below the 1.66, however, clear end of the day. Alright, so long as this 1.66 zone is holding, I am pretty bullish on the pound to Canadian dollar. Alright, so where could it go to? I would say that the next resistance level will be 1.71. So this will be the next zone that I'll be looking out. So bullishness could maybe go all the way up towards the next zone at 1.71 level. Up next would be the pound to yen. Okay, so what I can see from the pound to yen is that it is actually pretty much ranging for this past few weeks. There is not much of a big action showing down. However, price is still in our resistance level and has some difficulty breaking above 151 level. Alright, so with this level still holding, I am bearish for this pair. Okay, so I'm expecting this pair to go down even lower, alright, with the yen strengthening across the board. Okay, so target price for this pair would be at around 145.7 though. Alright, so this is the previous congestion area. So I expect price to have some sort of ranging or consolidate as it reaches towards our support level at 145.7 though. Last but not least, we have the Canadian dollars to the Japanese yen. Alright, so Canadian dollar to Japanese yen is right now at the resistance level. So by looking at the price action, price actually has been ranging for the past 1 week and has some problem breaking above 89.5 level. Okay, so like the pound to Canadian dollar, this is the opposite side. So you can see price tried to go higher, but unable to close above this level. Alright, so this marks as a very nice resistance. So as price is unable to go higher, where else could it be? Of course, the next place to go is to go down already. Alright, so as long as this level is still holding, I will not be buying into a resistance zone. So I'll be looking to short here, and of course, the first area to look out for will be 86.6, followed by 87.3 level. Alright, so these will be the two zones that I'll be looking out for, and this is my analysis for the three pairs that I have just gone through, namely the pound to the Canadian dollar, the pound yen, and the Canadian yen. Alright, so that's all for week 46. Thank you for watching our weekly video.
All right, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great week ahead. All right. Bye for now. Thank you. Thanks to James as well. Thank you.
Okay.